this is Doris. Oh, thank you so much. He's here? Okay, thank you. Bye-bye. Ay, Dios mío, the new auditor is here, and I don't have time for him.
Oh, no.
I'm working on 500 cancellations. I'm still balancing the tax roll. Todd, por favor, ¿me puedes ayudar?
Oh, Doris, I don't understand what you're saying.
Oh, I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. I'm confused. Todd, please help me. Would you please introduce the new auditor to the staff?
Oh, sure, no problem. I'll take him around the office.
Thank you so much. And his name is Charles Brown.
Charles Brown? Okay, I got it.
Thank you. I appreciate it.
You're welcome.
Gene, okay, Gene had an idea to reenact that.
Hi, you must be Mr. Brown, the new auditor. Come on in. I'm Todd. Nice to meet you. Is it Charles, or can I call you Charlie? Oh, okay, Chuck. Well, it's nice to meet you, Chuck. Very good to have you here. My assistant manager, Doris Dardee, she's really busy right now, but she asked me to introduce you. So let me introduce you to all the other people in a second, but just as a quick overview, what we do here in the accounting department is we're entrusted with the responsibility of preparing and processing, balancing, and the maintenance of financial records, all the financial transactions pertaining to property taxes, business taxes, Fish and Wildlife Conservation Commission, Department of Revenue, and the Department of Highway Safety and Motor Vehicles. So basically, to sum that all up, what we do is we balance all the money that we take from all of our agencies, make sure it's all put in the right places, and then we disperse it to all the taxing authorities that we're responsible to. But anyway, that's what we do as an office, but individually, let me introduce you to all the ladies that I work with. Yeah, that's right. I'm the only guy. I work with a bunch of ladies, and let me tell you, it is great. You know, I have a wife at home, and working with all these ladies, it's like I have 6 other wives. But anyway, enough about me. Let me introduce you to all the ladies. Come on. Okay, Chuck, the first person I would like you to meet is Amber. She sits over here, so come with me. Let's meet her. Hey, Amber. This is Chuck.
Hi, Chuck. Nice to meet you.
Hey, I was hoping you could tell Chuck a little bit about what you do around here.
Oh, well, I have a little bit of talent. You know, I don't know why I'm sitting at a desk, but, you know. Oh, yeah. Oh,
Amber, actually, this is the new auditor, Chuck Brown, and I was hoping you could tell him a little bit about what you do here at work, like how you balance all the agency tag work that comes in from all the agencies.
Yes, I do.
And you also do the hunting and fishing and the DOR reports.
Yes, I do.
And then you also do the property tax research, which is a lot of work, especially during property tax season.
Yes. Those are my duties.
But I tell you what, we'll let you get back to your singing, and we'll see you later.
Thank you.
All right, Chuck, next I want you to meet Janet. Come over, let's see what she's up to. Janet, I'd like you to meet Mr. Brown, Chuck here, new auditor. Janet, she's really busy right now. Not only is it the end of the month, but it's also the end of the fiscal year, so she's doing a lot of stuff. She's responsible for all of our documents here, and she's preparing those to be organized and sent away, and she also does a lot of imaging. All of our documents and our reports go into our accounting database, so it's very easy for us to retrieve it. So we save a lot of paper that way too. Some of the other things she does is she balances our imaging reports. That's all the payments that go through our processing center, and verifies and processes all the refunds that goes with that. And she does a lot of other things too. So that's Janet. And I wanted to show you my desk right over here. This is my desk, and when I'm not sitting here staring at my lovely son, what I do is I do the daily property tax and business tax reports and prepare that for posting to our general ledger. On a monthly basis, I balance our bank statement, compare that to what we've posted to our general ledger. I also balance our redemptions account and our escrow account, amongst some other things that I do also. So anyway, that's where I sit. Let's see who else we're going to introduce to you next. Next, I want to introduce you to Terry, but it looks like she's on the phone right now with Check Care. Check Care is one of our, well, it's our company that collects on our bad checks for us. All of our return checks go to that company. They collect and then they send us the money. And then there's a lot of work to that though, because sometimes they can't collect and then Terry has to deal with Tallahassee to try to get the money back. But you know, if I did her job, I'd do it a little bit differently, because I have a 1-year-old at home. And like, for instance, this bad check right here, this is how I deal with it. I'd say, you've been a bad check and you're going to timeout. Put that check over there. You're not coming out of timeout until you're a good check, and that's by paying with a cashier's check, with a money order, or with cash. That's how I deal with it. All right, well anyway, since she's busy, let's go meet Susan Shackelford.
These refunds are making my eyes bug out. It's refunds, refunds, refunds. So far this tax season, we have issued over 17,000 refund checks.
Yeah, and Susan also helps us a lot with balancing the internet payments, so she has to deal with our credit card company, which is Official Payments, requesting refunds or dealing with chargebacks. She also posts our tag work to our general ledger, and she cuts redemption checks and a lot of other things. But Susan really helps us out a lot.
And this isn't helping my eyesight.
Okay, Chuck, next, we're right over here near Lisa's desk, so let me introduce you to Lisa and see what she's doing.
Gosh, this distribution is so frustrating. It just makes me want to pull my hair out.
Oh, don't worry, Chuck, she's not normally like this. It's just when she's doing the distribution, which actually, come to think of it, especially during November and December, she's doing that like every week. So when she's not doing the distribution, though, she's doing cancellations. She also posts a lot of our receipts for taxes, property taxes, business taxes, all the reports that the other people in the office, including myself, that we balance and give to her. She posts all that to the general ledger. As far as the distribution, she has to send out all the funds to all the taxing authorities, and there's correspondence that she has to do with them, so that's a lot of work. I think that covers her main duties. Of course, she does a lot of other things in the office too. Let's see who else we're going to go talk to. Okay, Chuck, I'd like to take you down to meet Cindy. She's our administrator over the finance and accounting departments. Let's go see what she's doing. I think she's working on investments, which is a big part of what she does for us here. Come on.
Sal, hurry, Sal!
Oh, this might not be a good time. We'll come back later. Well, it was really my pleasure to show you a little bit about what we do here at the accounting department and to let you meet all of the people that work here. We are looking forward to working with you in the future. So thanks again for coming, and we'll see you soon.
Are you going to say boom? You said you were going to say boom!
Amber, do you want to practice anything?
I have stage fright. I'm freezing up and I'm scared.
Ready?
Yeah, you don't have to hit it, it's rolling. Let's just stop that.
You really want to do this before I finish my cup of coffee?
Amber, I wanted you to meet our new auditor. His name's Mr. Brown. Amber. You know, she's really into American Idol.
Into the camera, that looks like a...
And since the mountain man left. I'm the only guy. I work with a bunch of ladies, and let me tell you, it is great. You know, I have a wife at home, and working with all these ladies, it's like I have 6 other wives. But anyway, enough about me. Let me introduce you to all the ladies. Come on.